Did you know you can make $3,200 a month just by typing? Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? Well, believe it or not, it's not a fairy tale. In our hyper-digital world, typing has become more than just a fundamental skill. It's a potential goldmine. Imagine transforming your everyday typing prowess into a reliable revenue stream. We're not talking about an arduous journey or a steep learning curve. In fact, you're already halfway there if you can type. This is about leveraging your existing skills and capitalizing on the opportunities available at your fingertips, literally. From transcribing audio files to crafting captivating content, the possibilities are vast and varied. The best part is you can start right now wherever you are with what you have. So are you ready to unlock the power of typing? Join us on this journey and discover how to turn your typing skills into a lucrative income stream. Let's dive into the world of typing for money. You might be surprised by how many opportunities there are. In the digital age that we live in, the demand for typing skills has skyrocketed. The internet has opened up a whole world of opportunities for those with a swift set of fingers and a keen eye for detail. There are countless ways to monetize these skills, and today we're going to delve into a few of these avenues. First off, let's talk about transcription services. Transcription is the process of converting spoken language into written text. This skill is in high demand in sectors like legal, medical, and entertainment. Court reporters, caption writers, even podcast transcribers. These are all jobs that require a fast typing speed and a sharp ear. Next up, we have data entry. Now, this might sound a bit dull, but hear us out. Data entry is a vital component of many businesses. It involves entering data into electronic formats by using word processing or data processing software. The information could be anything from customer details to sales figures. And the best part, many of these jobs can be done from the comfort of your own home. Finally, let's not forget about freelance writing. This could be anything from writing articles and blog posts to crafting engaging social media content. All you need is a knack for storytelling, a firm grasp of grammar, and of course, those speedy typing skills. So in a world that's becoming increasingly digital, typing skills are more than just a nice to have. They're a necessity. With a little practice and dedication, you can transform this everyday skill into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. And remember, the world of typing is vast and varied. It's not just about being able to type fast, it's about accuracy, attention to detail, and understanding the context of what you're typing. As you can see, typing isn't just about speed, it's about turning your abilities into a valuable commodity. Now that you understand the demand, how exactly do you get started? Well, it's more straightforward than you might think. The first step is to find the right platform where you can offer your typing services. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are excellent places to start. They allow you to create a profile and bid on typing jobs posted by clients from all over the world. Creating a profile is your opportunity to showcase your skills and experiences. Be sure to highlight any relevant qualifications you have. For example, if you've done transcription work in the past, or if you have a typing speed of 80 words per minute, you want to put that front and center. Your profile is your first impression to potential clients, so make it count. Use a professional tone, but don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Remember, clients are not just hiring your skills, they are also hiring you. Once your profile is set up, it's time to start bidding on projects. Be selective in the jobs you apply for. Look for projects that suit your skills and interests and avoid the temptation to bid on everything you see. Quality always trumps quantity. When you do find a project you're interested in, take the time to write a personalized proposal. Explain why you're the best fit for the job and how you can deliver excellent results. This is your chance to sell your skills. So make it compelling. Marketing your skills is an ongoing process. Consistently update your profile with completed projects and new skills you've acquired. Engage with the community on these platforms and don't be shy to ask for referrals. Building a reputation takes time, but it's worth the effort. Finally, always remember to keep learning. The world of online work is constantly evolving, and staying ahead means continually upgrading your skills. There are plenty of free resources online that can help you improve your typing speed and accuracy. Remember, starting is often the hardest part, but with determination, you'll soon see progress. So, take that first step today, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to earning $3,200 a month just by typing. So, you've started. Great, but how do you maximize your earnings to reach that $3,200 a month? First things first, speed and accuracy are critical in this game. Imagine typing as a race. The faster you finish, the more races you can participate in and the more prize money you can win. But remember, accuracy is equally important. It's no good being the fastest typer if half your words are spelled wrong. Quality is just as important as quantity, so make sure to balance your speed with precision. Consider investing in typing software or online courses to help you hone these skills. Now let's talk diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your talents across multiple platforms. This could mean offering your services on various freelancing websites or expanding your skill set to include related tasks such as transcription, data entry, or even copywriting. By diversifying, you're opening up more income streams and opportunities to earn. Another powerful strategy is to work with repeat clients. Repeat clients not only provide consistent income, but also save you the time and effort of constantly hunting for new gigs. So how do you secure repeat clients? It's all about exceeding expectations. Deliver high-quality work, meet your deadlines, and maintain open and positive communication. Clients are more likely to rehire someone they trust and enjoy working with. And don't forget to keep an eye on your rates. As you gain experience and improve your skills, don't be afraid to increase your prices. Remember, your time and expertise are valuable, so don't undersell yourself. Lastly, treat this like a business because it is one. Keep track of your income and expenses, set goals, and constantly strive for improvement. This isn't just about earning a quick buck. It's about creating a sustainable business that provides you with a steady income stream. With these strategies, you're not just typing for money, you're building a sustainable business. While this all sounds fantastic, it's essential to understand the common pitfalls that can hinder your progress. One of the most common mistakes made by typists looking to earn money is undervaluing their skills. It's easy to think, it's just typing. Anyone can do it, but remember, not everyone can type fast, accurately, and with an understanding of the content. Your skills are valuable, so don't sell yourself short. Set a fair rate that reflects your abilities and the market demand. Next up, overworking. Yes, we get it. The allure of making more money can be intoxicating. But remember, typing is a physically and mentally demanding task. Typing for long hours without rest can lead to fatigue, decreased productivity, and even injuries. It's important to balance work and rest. Take regular breaks, maintain good posture, and don't forget to hydrate. Speaking of rest, not taking time to rejuvenate is another pitfall to watch out for. It's not just about avoiding physical fatigue. Your mind needs a break too. Working non-stop can lead to burnout, which can affect your work quality and your overall well-being. So make sure to set aside time for relaxation and hobbies. A well-rested mind is a productive mind. Another pitfall is not investing in your skills. The world of typing is not static. There are always new tools and techniques to learn. Don't rest on your laurels. Keep up with the latest trends, invest in training, and always strive to improve your skills. Finally, avoid the trap of isolation. Typing can be a solitary activity, but that doesn't mean you have to work in a vacuum. Join online communities, share experiences, ask for advice, and learn from others. It's a great way to stay motivated and overcome challenges. Avoiding these pitfalls will ensure your typing venture is not only profitable, but also enjoyable and sustainable. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've discovered the amazing power of typing, a skill so common, yet so valuable in today's digital world. We've seen how high the demand is for proficient typists and how you can leverage that demand to your advantage. We've navigated through the basics of getting started and explored strategies to maximize your earnings, from seeking out the right opportunities to optimizing your work process. We've also delved into common pitfalls that might hinder your progress. And more importantly, we've discussed how you can avoid them. Remember, consistency and diligence are key in this journey. The potential here is huge. With the right approach and a little bit of grit, you could be earning up to $3,200 a month just by typing. With these insights, you're now equipped to turn your typing skills into a potential income of $3,200 a month. So what are you waiting for? Start typing and start earning.